Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn some basic tags of HTML. All HTML document must start with a document type declaration, doctype HTML. The HTML document itself begins with the HTML tag and ends with the HTML tag. The visible part of the HTML document is between body tag. So we have created this file in previous video, and this is the output file of the intro.html. This is the heading tag, this is the paragraph, and this is the title that we have used over here. Now what we have to do, just create a new file, and in this file we will learn more about the tag. So first tag is the doctype HTML tag. The doctype declaration represents the document type and helps the browsers to display the web pages correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page. So the doctype is not case sensitive. We can write like this also in small or capital. There is no effect of the case. So that's all for the doctype declaration. And now let's know about the HTML heading. So HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tag. So H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. So for example, we will create a head over here and body. So this is the basic structure that we have to create. So in the body tag we will create the heading. So H1, this is heading 1. So this is how you can create the first heading, and so now multiply the lines by using Alt and Shift in Visual Studio Code. This is the second heading. Just change the H2, H3, H4, H5, and change over here also 4, 3, and multiply one more time for the H6 also. So H6, H6, H6. So now save this file, open the folder where we have saved this file. Our file name is basics. And when this file opens, so we have the 6 headings over here from 1 to 6, and the size of the text decreases by the numbers. So first heading is the largest and the 6th heading is the smallest one. We use H1 to define the most important heading and H6 to define the least important heading. By using the HTML H tags, you can create the different sizes of headings. And now what we will create, now we will create the P or the paragraph also. So P tag is used to create the paragraph, and it says this is a paragraph. We will just multiply it one more time, and it says this is another paragraph. When we save this, open the browser, refresh this, and here we have two different paragraphs in different lines. It says this is a paragraph, and this says this is another paragraph. So we have created 2 paragraphs, 6 headings, and now we will discuss about the HTML links. So HTML links are defined with the A tag or the anchor tag. And in this anchor tag, we have to use an attribute that is href, and in this href, we will provide a link. And when the user clicks on the link of our web page, the user will be redirected to the link that we have provided. So we will provide a simple link that is the google.com link, and in this anchor tag, we will write click me. So this click me will be printed on the browser, and let's check it how it works. So just refresh it. Now it says click me. This click me is in blue. When we click on this button, it will get purple. So when we click on this click me, it just redirects us to the home page of Google. And when we press back, now this will be in purple color, and it has an underline also. So this is how you can create links also in HTML. Link's destination is specified in the href attribute. The link's destination is specified in the href attribute, and attributes are used to provide additional information about the HTML element. and make our page useful. So now we will discuss about the HTML images. HTML images are defined with the img tag, and this img tag, so in this img tag we have some attributes also. Basically we will provide 4 major attributes. First is the src, and we will just use this image that I have downloaded from Google, and after this we will also provide an alternate, and after this src we will provide the alt, that means the alternate text that will be printed if this image will not be printed. So it says image, and after this we will provide the width of this image. So we will provide suppose 100 pixel and the height of 100 pixel also. Height equals to 100% or 100 px, sorry. And that's all for the img tag. When we save this, open the browser, refresh this file, and it has a image of 100 by 100 pixel. The link and the image are in the same line, so we will just write br over here to change the line of the image. So now our image is in the next line. Our image size is 100 pixel by 100 pixel. And what will happen if this img doesn't exist in our file? So it will say just refresh this, and the broken image and the alternate text that we have written, that is the img. So this will be written or printed when the image doesn't exist, and this will not print when we have the image. So this is how you can use the alt or alternative text in the img. So that's all for this video. In next video we will learn about HTML elements in detail. So keep watching, and please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.